Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I am doing a VR for Diana over at Diana Loves Colors. She is currently hosting a Christmas embellishment and 1,200 subscriber giveaway. She is requesting 2 Christmas embellishments with layers and for you to do a VR to help her reach her 1,200 subscriber goal. The entry is due November 30th. Diana's channel will be linked down below so you could check out her video for all of the details. Before I get into what I made for her entry, I would like to show you some things that I am going to be sending her. Before I show you what I am going to be sending in for my entry, Diana did order some products from me. This set of buttons will be coming to my Etsy shop soon. If it's something that you'd like to purchase now, you can just send me a direct message. They are $15 shipped. In this organizer, we have some red rocking horses. These are some buttons that have a kite on them, adobe houses, some hot air balloons, some butterflies, these super cute orange elephants, some really pretty two-toned blue buttons. These are some tiny seashells, some white flowers. These are some masks. These are, I think these are bear faces. These are some larger teal buttons. We have some leaves, chocolate bunnies, these cute puppies, these cool spins. These are some camels. We have a microphone and some piano keys. These pretty flowers, a couple of guitars, these pretty purple ones, this old style record player. We have some unicorns. These are some different kinds of piggies. These pretty buttons. This is a cute little lion. We have some of these pretty plates and then some of these blueberry buttons. This will be in my Etsy shop soon, or you can direct message me for purchase. They are $15. The $15 will include the shipping and also the case that they come in. So Diana did order one of these from me already. This is the one that is going out in her package. Diana also ordered my new Christmas 2024 release. She picked the silver set and she will be receiving the gold as a sample. And I do include some Christmas die cuts in the back. Here are the Christmas colors for this year. I have a few sets left. We have the Rudolph red and the Grinch green. I've been loving using these so much. This is my favorite. This is the frosted snowball. And then you have the choice of the silver or the gold. I'm also sending Diana for her challenge some tickets. I've recently picked up some new kinds while out yard sailing, as well as some coin envelopes. And I'm going to be also sending her some cactus candy that was made local here in Arizona. For her Christmas embellishments, the first one that I made are these tickets. I had lots of fun using my stash. We have some stickers. I did layer this ticket die several times to give it some sturdiness. Here is one of my golden goose and my Grinch green. We have some tiny buttons here. Little candy cane. That's the first one. And here's the next one. Here is one of the silver dewdrops. I have some trim, some ribbon back there. Here is one of the rocking ponies that you could receive in the button box. This is a little punch that I inked the edges on. We have some stickers, this cute baby deer, and here is a Grinch green dewdrop. I did add some tulle underneath, and then here are some of the frosted snowball dewdrops. That's the second one. Decided to make some of these snowmen. I triple layered the back so it is very sturdy. I love this snowman. This is from the, let me get it. This is from the Sizzix Winter Wonderland, and that's the snowman there. He is just such a great size, and these dies cut so well. I did add some snow on the bottom, and here are some of my frosted dewdrops, as well as the silver one. I did a lot of paper piercing on this one, and I have these little star buttons. That's the first one. And then I just made an identical one to send her way as well. This is the packaging that I'll be using to send the tickets in, and I am just clipping the bag topper to this so that she can reuse the bag topper. I think it came out so super cute. If you are interested in purchasing one of my button embellishment boxes or my new Christmas 2024 release, please send me a direct message on Instagram. And that's my entry for Diana over at Diana Loves Colors. I thank you guys so much for stopping by and have a great day. Bye guys.